I am Professor Shailesh Pimpli, member of MCOA, and I belong to Saraswati coaching classes, and I am one of the management members. I have come here to attend one of the seminar, and after attending these seminars about the new education policy and about so many courses which a student can do after 12th, and these courses are very much suitable to the present modern need, like along with computer science or AI, one can do music, sports, so many other things, and wonderful flexibility is also there. The whole campus of Vijaybhoomi is very unique, very clean, all facilities are available, and the sessions conducted on different subjects about the different courses were really thought-provoking, even about regarding advertisement or regarding campaigning for class also, whether it is creativity also, design also, and so many things we came to know which really added value to our knowledge, and wonderful get-together also in a way. It was everything in this session was arranged very well. So from the depth of my heart, I sincerely thank to Vijaybhoomi management and MCOA also for such wonderful arrangement. Thank you so much.